2026 is right around the corner. But let's be real, are you actually where you said you'd be 2 years ago? You're stuck. Trapped in a loop of mindless scrolling, chasing cheap dopamine, and lying to yourself with the classic, "I'll start tomorrow." This isn't just another motivational speech. This is a silent blueprint to completely reset your brain, body, and mind. If you follow these 6 protocols, 2026 will be the most successful year of your life. Protocol 1. Play life like chess, strategic thinking. The difference between successful people and everyone else is simple. Average people react with emotion, but successful people move with strategic planning. If you lose your cool or panic over every small problem, you're just a pawn in the game. To win in 2026, every move you make must be calculated for 1 month, 6 months, and a year from now. Always think steps ahead. Protocol 2. Harden your body, physical discipline. Your fitness level isn't just about health, it's a direct reflection of your self-discipline and self-respect. When you hit the gym or crush a morning workout, you're not just building muscle, you're training your mind to beat laziness. When your body gets strong, your self-confidence does the talking for you. Protocol 3. Rewire your brain, deep work. Social media algorithms have completely fried your attention span. In 2026, you need to revolutionize the way you work. Put your phone away for at least 1 hour every day. Read a book or master a high-income skill. While the rest of the world is distracted by notifications, you're building your brain in silence. This focus and productivity is what will set you apart. Protocol 4. Turn your passion into assets, wealth building. The days of just working a job are over. You need to learn how to turn your skills into digital assets. Whether it's content creation, coding, or any high-ticket skill, you have to monetize your creativity. Sharpen your craft so much that the market literally cannot ignore you. That is your path to financial freedom. Protocol 5. Cut off the noise, mental clarity. The world is loud and social media is louder. Sometimes you need to disconnect completely. At least once a week, do a digital detox. No screens, no fake socializing. Just silence and nature. This clears the mental fog and gives you the mental reset you need to tackle the next big challenge. Protocol 6. Go monk mode, monk mode. It all comes down to this. Disappear for 6 months. Cut the parties, the small talk, and the distractions. Focus on your goals with unstoppable consistency. When people think you've vanished, that's when you're actually building your empire. This monk mode discipline is how you win. 2026 isn't going to show you any mercy. Time is ticking. Are you going to stay average, or are you hitting the life reset button today? The choice is yours. If you're ready to execute, comment, "I am ready for 2026." See you at the top. Stay disciplined.